Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok liked videos are not showing up. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you want to see your liked videos on TikTok, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on profile at the bottom right corner. And as you see here, we got your posted videos, your private videos, your reposted videos, your saved videos, and this heart icon represents your liked videos. So if you tap on it, all your liked videos on TikTok will appear. Now, if you tap on it and your liked videos are just not there or they are just not showing, here what we're gonna do, we're gonna go out from here and open up our settings. Now we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, we're going to choose the second option, manage apps. And now we're going to scroll all the way down and look for TikTok. Now we're going to tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this is going to delete if there's any bugs in the app or fix any issues in the app. Now go back to TikTok again, tap on the heart icon, and all your liked videos on TikTok will appear. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.